Hello friends, welcome to Yoga for Health and Beauty channel. If my videos are helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and turn on the notification button. Adenomyosis is a condition in which inner lining of the uterus breaks through the muscle wall of the uterus. Adenomyosis can cause menstrual cramps, lower abdominal pressure, and bloating before menstrual periods. The displaced tissue continues to act normally, thickening, breaking down, and bleeding during each menstrual cycle. So, I am here with some yogasana to cure these problems. Abdominal breathing. Sit straight in Padmasana. Deep inhale for 5 seconds. Hold your breath in abdomen for 5 seconds. Slowly breathe out for 6 to 7 seconds. Hold your breath outer the nostril for 2 seconds. Then again breathe in for 5 seconds. Repeat steps and durations of the breathings. Abdominal breathings supplies a lot of oxygen to the all abdominal areas including uterus. Do this pranayam 3 to 4 minutes. Now Kapalbhati. Sit straight in Padmasana. Press your stomach inward and forcefully breathe out. 1 second, 1 stroke. Kapalbhati removes toxins from your body and activates all sexual hormones. In case of pregnancy, avoid Kapalbhati. Do Kapalbhati for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, Anulom Vilom Nadi Shodhan after Kapalbhati. Close your right nostrils with the right hand's thumb. Now, deep inhale with the left nostril for 5 seconds. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. Close your left nostril with the ring finger and middle finger. Breathe out slowly with the right nostrils for 6 to 7 seconds. Hold your breath for 2 seconds outer the nostril. Again breathing for 5 seconds from the right nostril. Repeat the steps as you started. Anulom Vilom Nadi Shodhan purifies all veins and arteries of your body and supplies a lot of oxygen to all internal organs of your body. These all pranayam are very helpful in adenomyosis, uterus fibroid and endometriosis and helpful in all uterus disease. Duration 5 minutes. Going to start butterfly. Hold your legs with knee and joint both legs soles together. Give movement to the both legs up and down. You are holding your both foot with your hands. Butterfly cures all uterus disease as it strengthens the pelvic muscles. Butterfly improves blood circulation in all pelvic organs. Butterfly is very easy to do, so do it regularly for twice or thrice in a day for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, thunderbolt or diamond pose or Vajrasan. Hold your both legs by your knees. Sit on your heels. Your hip will be on your sole. This pose improves your digestive system and also improves blood circulation to the all lower abdominal areas. You can also do it after taking food. Now, child pose. With the deep inhale, raise your hands, breathe out and bend forward. Rest your palm on the floor, palms facing down. Child pose flexes the body's internal organs and keep them supple. It gently stretches the hips, thigh and ankles. The deep inhale, raise your hands up, let it down with breathe out. Reclined thunderbolt pose. From Vajrasana, slowly begin to move the trunk backward. Utilizing the support of the forearms, place the head on the floor, arc the back upward. Place the hands on the thighs. Try to keep the lower legs in contact with the floor. If necessary, separate the knees. Breathe deeply and slowly in this position. Breathing in and taking the support of the elbows and the arms, raise the head above the ground. And slowly coming to the starting position. Now seated forward bend. Sit on the ground, stretching both the legs outward. Inhale, raise your arms and bend the body forward, exhaling as far as possible. While bending forward, do exhaling. Place your head on your knees. Hold your breath as far as possible. Inhale again and raise your arms slowly. And with exhale, come to the final position. Now, bridge pose. Fold your both legs by your knees. Press your feet and arms firmly into the floor. Deep inhale, lift your back with your hip up. Extend your arms along the floor and press your forearms into the floor. Keep your thighs and feet parallel. Hold up for few seconds. Come back with slowly breathe out. Do this 2 to 3 times for 5 minutes. Lift up your both legs with the support of your hands to your waist and bend your legs towards your head. This is inverted legs pose. Rest your right knee to your head and right foot to the left knee. Repeat this position to the both legs. This yogasan is very helpful for all uterus disease. This asana also improves the all hormonal disbalance. Do this asana 3 to 4 minutes daily. Next, wind relieving pose. Gas release posture. With inhaling, bend both legs at the knees and rest the thighs against the abdomen, keeping the knees and ankles together. Circle the knees with both arms, hands clasping opposite elbows. Bend the neck and place the chin on the knees. Continue to maintain the asana, breathing normally. In this position, the thighs are pressed against the abdomen and the wrists or elbows are clasped. Neck is bent towards the knees. The breath is relaxed. Straighten the neck and the lower head back on the ground. Release the arms and place them beside the body. Now, standing forward, bend. Stand straight and with deep inhale, raise your hand together. Bend forward with deep, slowly breathe out. Rest your head on your knees. Press your palms flat to the mat if you can. Inhale, raise your hands up slowly. Breathe out and come to the final position. Now, fish pose. Sit in lotus posture. Bend slowly backward and lay on the floor without releasing lotus posture. Lift the chest a little upward. Turn the crown of the head towards the floor. Make an arc of the back to the maximum comfortable extent. Hold on the big toes with your hand. Breathe slowly and keep the position as long as it is comfortable. With the support of your hands, come back to the sitting posture by placing the palms on the floor. Repeat the steps 1 to 2 times. Lay straight on the ground and fold your both legs together. Hold your both foot with your hands and bring it close to your head. Touch your nose with your toes. Bring it back to the final position. Next, Cobra pose. For a moment, looking straight down at your mat with your neck in a neutral position. With inhale, lift your chest off the floor. Look up towards the ceiling and hold your breath. Keep your spine straight and with deep breathe out, come back on the mat. Now, bow pose. Lay on your stomach with your feet apart. Hold your knees. Take your hands backward and hold your ankles. With inhale, lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and towards the back. Hold on your breath. After few seconds, as you exhale, gently bring your legs and chest to the ground. Release the ankle and relax. Sitting half spinal twist. Straighten your legs out in front of you. Bend right knee and place your right foot to the outside of your left knee. Exhale, lengthen your torso, exhale and twist toward your right. Either hugging your right knee with your left arm or placing your left upper arm on the outside of your right leg near the knee. Hold on your breath for few seconds. With exhale, look forward and release your twist. And try the other side. Now, cat pose. Take your position like a cat. As you inhale, raise your chin and tilt your head back. Push your navel downward and raise your tailbone. With exhale, drop your chin to your chest and arc your back up as much as you can. Relax the buttocks. Repeat these steps with inhale and exhale. Cat pose supplies a lot of oxygen to the uterus. and improves blood circulation to the all abdominal organs. Do this exercise 3 to 4 minutes daily. With inhale, lift your back with your hands and legs together and make a position like a boat. Hold your breath. This is boat asana. With exhale, come back to the final position. So, if you want to cure your uterus, then do following yogasanas regularly.